In this video, I'm going to show you how to use personas in Pikzels AI. Let's get started. First, open Pikzels using our affiliate link go.pikzels.com/dine and log into your account. On the left side, click Personas, then click Create. This is where you train Pikzels to recognize a specific face, so you can use it later for face swaps and AI thumbnail generation. Enter any persona name, then upload at least 3 photos of the same person. Make sure these are different angles, different expressions, and clear lighting. After uploading the images, click Generate. Pikzels will train that persona, and once it is done, it gets saved in your persona library. Now go back to the main workspace and either generate a new thumbnail with prompt mode or open an existing thumbnail in edit mode. Click Personas at the bottom. Choose the persona you just trained and generate the image. And that's it. Now you know how to create, train, and use personas in Pikzels AI for realistic thumbnail face swaps. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.